Number 6 is if you want to survive in the forest, you must have a roof. This wood and bark should be enough.
Well now, ain't this just the life? Fresh caught, fire roasted, just how I like it. Look here, fresh sign. Something big came through.
It's wet, it's cold, and yeah, I forgot to waterproof my fur. Welcome to the wild. No refunds, no heaters, they look like food. Smell like food. And hopefully don't kill me. Cheers to Forest Roulette. Wake up tip, cold water slaps harder than coffee. But hey, no Starbucks out here, just a freezing regret. DIY torch. Because glowing eyes in the woods don't mean friendship, especially when they blink back. Forget gyms, try lifting a tree after skipping breakfast, and fighting off squirrels. Beast mode every day, shh. Something's moving, either a raccoon or my next guest. And trust me, not all guests are friendly. Turns out, drawing a map on bark without a compass, not my best idea, unless getting lost counts as cardio. That little thief just robbed me. I've been out squirreled. This forest has zero